if you want to you know the difference between somebody who makes it very big and somebody who is average, somebody who fails, is usually some small problem or a little nuance opportunity that somebody took. And their life went, instead of this way, this way. I was going to be a hotel manager. Met somebody in the lobby who said, come over, work for me. I think you have some potential. We're going to test you. A meeting of 5 minutes standing in the lobby of a hotel. Boom, my life took a different direction. Went this way. So I ended up here. All my friends in the hotel business are here. Now they call me and say, hey, do you want to buy a hotel? We know this guy's going to leave. This morning I was here having a breakfast meeting with somebody who said they want to buy my whole portfolio here. They're not going to buy it. They can't afford it. But they're fantasizing. So I said, okay, no problem, no problem. But the point is, if I sell that whole portfolio, I can go get a big hotel or something big. But it's just like your life takes off. The proof is in the Olympics. The difference between the one that wins the gold medal versus the other person is like 0.10 of a second, millisecond. Why? He just did like this. He was interviewing this guy, said, I won by 1/10 of a millisecond of whatever. Why? In the last second, as the other guy next to him, he did like this with his head. So the camera got it that he is better. It's not good to be bald when you're running. You got to have some, it gives you that edge.